Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's card, we are featuring the stamp set called Botanical Expressions. So I am using the Artisan Sketch Designer Series paper here, and I sped this up because it's supposed to be a simple card on Monday, and it actually is a simple card, but I'm coloring. So, and in case you want to know any of all the colors that I'm using here, light and dark and all the combos and everything, I'll leave links in the description box in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. But this is that hydrangea hue. It's very pretty purple, actually. And I end up going over that with a shimmer pen, if you can believe it. Anyway, so what I'm doing here is I'm coloring in these two vases of plants. And I wanted to give you a little hint too. As I was coloring in, I'm like not 100% sure if I was coloring things correctly or not. And I left... I think I was correct in the first place when I look at this now, but I'm going in with my old olive and I'm coloring all the leaves. And then for whatever reason, it didn't look right to me. Like, I don't know if this ever happens to you. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So I colored something that I shouldn't have colored. So this is what is a color lifter, what it's and it's like a little bleach pen. Can you see? I'm removing some of the green, and then I will go in afterwards and sort of retouch it up. It got really saturated, and then, but I actually think it was a leaf now. But anyway, it's a good lesson for us to share, you know, some of the products. So that is the color lifter that removes the blends markers, and then I will show you another tip in a second. So what I'm going to do is cut these planters and vases out, fussy cut them, and then I'm going to show you another tip. This video is full of tips. There's at least 3 in here. I'm a giver. So what I ended up doing was I took my Stampin' Right marker. Stampin' Up doesn't sell these anymore, and you could use whatever marker you have. I just wouldn't use a blends marker or an alcohol marker. I would use sort of like a felt pen kind of thing. And I go along the edges because it makes it look like I've cut it out perfectly. So there could be little white bits and stuff like that, and I will have colored it. So I like the Stampin' Right markers because I can do a little spray of color just to sort of dampen that white. And I'm going to use my Memento Tuxedo black ink for the sentiment that comes from that stamp set, Botanical something or others. And I'm going to put adhesive on the back of that and attach that to a pool party card stock. And then, I always say that, and then we're going to put our planters on the, this is going to be like the focal piece of the card, and it's a simple layout. So these vases could be die cuts, or they could be other things that you've colored, or it could be a big embellishment or whatever you like, right? These are like the focal bits. So I'm going to put that one right above the thank you, and that's going to anchor it to the page, make it look like it's, you know, on a desk or table or something. And then this one I'm going to put a little further back, and so I don't want it to look like it's floating in the air. So I just ended up using some of that cloud cover that I used for the pot. That's what I used, the color cloud cover. And I'm going to come in there and just draw a little bit of shading. So that pot looks like it's on something. All right, so here we go with the Artisan Sketched page, and we're going to put, and that all the sizes are up there for you guys to write it down, but I'm going to put that on my cloud cover card base. And then I'm going to adhere the potted plants on dimensionals to the front of the card. It is that simple of a card. Really, we didn't have to take 7 minutes to do this video, but I did want to share some tips with you. And the next tip is coming up. So far we've got, we had using the color lifter to remove ink. Then we had the anchoring with the ink, or like the cloud cover gray to make the pot look like it's not floating in the air. And then we're going to come in with the gel white pens, and I'm going to go over the color, or the color lifter that I did as well. So that's like, it's like double kill right now, but I figured if I was going to share this little tip with you, I would share the other tip I use all the time. And that is this gel pen. I warm it up on my finger. You can see that bleached area is not 100% white, but if you go over it with this gel marker, and they're really affordable, Stampin' Up sells them, and it gets rid of it. So no one's going to know. No one will know. No one's going to know. I promise. So I always like to do the inside of my card. So we took a little bit of that paper and put it like just an inch strip. And I think this is 4 by 5 1/4. Anyway, so I'm just coloring the inside of the card, and Bob is your uncle. I am done. This is my card for today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment, and I will be back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.